This is the exterior of the hotel during the daytime.
Hey guys, this guy's birthday today. So I woke up early thinking that because of our parking, I was worrying about our parking. And right now we just got our breakfast, and let me show you guys the breakfast. So this place doesn't have traditional breakfast. They will leave the breakfast in the door for you at two timings. So one is 7:30 and the other one is 8:30. So this is our breakfast today. Tandoori chicken soup curry. Yeah, we like tandoori.
As you may be aware, Sapporo is the home of soup curry. For this preparation, we have inspiration from Indian tandoori.
The regular bread. By the way, we have a toaster in the room, so I think that we need to toast it up. And then, okay, it also comes with one apple juice and one orange juice.
Have you seen this before? I haven't, but my wife seems to know how to do this.
Because I saw it on Korean YouTube.
This is the coffee. It's the special Unwind blend. Everything is kind of DIY here, which makes sense because it's a camping theme.
Yes, Seiko mat, and this is the iced coffee. I think you have to bring the ice by yourself, and then I'll come here and make the coffee. We're at the car park now. So last night there's no parking at the hotel, so we have to park at some parking lot. So we are going out now. We will tell you guys how much we have to pay for parking. It's an update. We have to pay 1,200 yen for the car park, which is not bad because we just reserved for tonight our hotel for tonight at 1,600 yen. Now we are approaching Blue Pond in 2 kilometers. So this is the view surrounded. It's really nice.
It's full of birch trees.
Okay, right now we're here, and both of us, we have to put the heat pack in our body because it's so cold. And this is where we park our car. And then this is the way to Blue Pond. I hope that the heat pack will not drop from my leggings. Okay, we are on the way up. Yeah, look at how big it is.
You should do that and then I do slow motion.
The real Blue Pond now. Blue Pond is a man-made pond featured in BA, Hokkaido, Japan. It's the result of work on the BA River carried out after 1988 eruption of Mount Tokachi. But this is the Blue Pond that we are seeing right now. And nothing is blue. It's covered by snow. But the river is a little bit blue.
Okay. This is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
And this is what it actually looks like. That's the Blue Pond in winter. Cannot see anything.
Just parked our car and now we are walking to the waterfall, which is there. We are here at the waterfall. Okay, it says Mount Tokachi Volcanic Sabo Information Center, and they open until 4 p.m. It says the bottom of the waterfall's rock face are layers of gravel and sand accumulated from mud flows. guys, right now I'm at the Ningle Terrace, and they are closed from November 4th until November 21st, which is they will reopen tomorrow. Unfortunately, we won't be able to come here or to drive here 3 hours again to come back here. And right now I can see that there's a Prince Hotel here. So here is Furano skiing ground. So if you like to come over here and have some skiing, you can come over here. If you don't want to go to Niseko, it's too overpopulated, and then you can come here for skiing. We saw some track over there where you pass by, and this is the hotel, but I think the hotel is not in season, so it's not open yet. And yeah, so you guys can have a second choice if you don't want to go to Niseko for skiing. You can always come here. I'm quite disappointed because the shop are all closed. Yeah, maybe that's meant to be. Now we're here. Hi, now we are here at the restaurant, and we have the full restaurant to ourselves because we are quite early. Our reservation is at 5:30, and the reason why we have to eat so early because we still have to drive back to Sapporo. So the dinner is pre-booked. We booked the 9,000 yen dinner, and this is our drink menu, and this is the restaurant. This is BA/Furano, I think. They also give us a big table because of this guy's birthday. In honor of him, we got a special table.
You're supposed to say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Our first course of the meal is the pumpkin soup and the quiche. Get the plate. So these are all homemade, and then the prosciutto, and then this is vagua.
Terrine. Pork terrine, not foie gras.
Pork terrine, and then this is herring. Third dish is vagua
And duck.
and duck, and there are sauce. This is the shrimp with the mustard sauce and the fish.
Okay, this is the palate cleanser in between the fish course and the meat course. It's a granite from cassis, so a kind of sweet grape flavor, just to clear the palate for the next course. Okay, this is the local venison from Furano, made just here. Beautiful piece of meat. Okay, so in honor of my birthday, I got the special birthday sign, and it's a Mont Blanc with spice ice cream, and then there's chocolate ice cream underneath the sign. Looks delicious. Okay, so here's my review of the restaurant. I thought the food was excellent. Everything is locally produced. The vegetables especially were quite special, and they have very unique flavor. And all the seafood, everything, the service was excellent. It's very quaint. It's not a fancy, stuffy kind of place. Okay, so we're outside the restaurant, just finished our meal. It's freezing outside, and a lot of snow. There's somebody walking, so it freaked us out.
Okay, so we have to drive 2 hours back to Sapporo, and we hope that on the way back there's some Seiko that I can buy some coffee, or for my husband maybe. But we really enjoy our meal here, and we definitely will come back